AZEK rail options are beautiful, high-quality rail systems that have no visible fasteners. With 3 distinct styles, Premier, Trademark, and Reserve, there is an AZEK rail to accent the beauty of any AZEK deck. This video will guide you through the cable rail install for all 3 AZEK rail systems. Railing is sold in 6-foot and 8-foot rail packs and can accommodate straight and stair applications. A 10-foot rail pack in white and black is also available. Rail packs include 1 top rail, 1 bottom rail, 2 support rails, foot blocks, hardware, and template that makes mounting brackets quick and easy. Custom rail packs are also available without the pre-drilled holes to be used when installing aluminum balusters, cable, or glass infills. Intermediate balusters are sold in 36-inch and 42-inch heights. 1 intermediate baluster is needed for a 6-foot section, 2 for an 8-foot section, and 3 for a 10-foot section. Cable rail hardware kits are sold in 36-inch and 42-inch kits. Hardware includes quick connect fittings, quick connect swivel fittings, hanger bolts, and lock nuts. Cable rail accessory packs include a quick connect release tool, lacing needle, and a hanger bolt installation tool. Protector sleeves are optional and are sold in packs of 20. 18 are required for a 36-inch system and 22 for a 42-inch system. Post sleeves, post skirts, post caps, and cable cutters are sold separately. And be sure to consider AZEK lighting before installing railing. View the AZEK lighting video for more details. A typical stair rail height is between 34 and 38 inches, measured from the leading edge of the stair tread vertically to the top of the rail. Be sure to consult local building codes prior to installation. First, cut your post sleeves to the desired length. Place the post sleeves over the 4x4 posts. 4x4 posts must be plumb and be no more than 8 feet from center to center of post, unless using a 10-foot rail section. When installing cable infill, AZEK secure mount post should not be used. Install skirts by sliding them over the post sleeves. As you begin installing stair rails, be sure to rotate the support rail 90 degrees. Rest your support rails and transfer the length and angle of the stairs onto the rail. This angle will be used throughout the entire installation. Set your saw blade at the correct angle. Trim both support rails to length. Transfer measurement from bottom and top support rails to bottom and top rails. Trim all rails to measured length at appropriate angle. Attach mounting brackets to the inside of the bottom support rail and each end with number 8 by 3/4 inch screws. Trim foot blocks to stair angle and maximize length. Position foot blocks and attach to rail, pre-drilling 3/16-inch holes through the bottom support rail. Secure foot blocks with number 8 by 3-inch screws. 1 foot block is required for sections up to 6 feet and 2 for sections up to 8 feet. Position bottom support rail between posts and pre-drill 7/64-inch pilot holes through the post using the holes in the mounting bracket. Secure bottom support rail to post with number 8 by 3-inch screws. Next, use the intermediate base plate as a template to determine intermediate baluster location on the bottom support rail. Pre-drill the offset hole with a 3/16-inch drill bit using a scrap baluster for correct angle. Trim the intermediate baluster to the desired height and angle at both ends. Line up the intermediate baluster with the bottom rail. For easier installation, pre-drill the screw chase with a 3/16-inch drill bit. Attach the intermediate baluster to the bottom rail with a number 10 by 2-inch screw. Next, place the bottom rail between the posts. Allow the rail to rest on the bottom support rail with the intermediate baluster perpendicular to the deck surface. Use an extra intermediate baluster rested on the bottom rail as a template for the cable rail hardware and through holes. Use a 3/16-inch drill bit to transfer marks onto the post sleeve. Attach the intermediate base plate to the intermediate baluster with the provided number 10 by 1 inch screws. Use the intermediate base plate as a guide to pre-drilled top support rail with a 9/64 inch drill bit. Position mounting brackets at each end of the top support rail, pre-drill with a 7/64 inch drill bit. Attach mounting brackets with the provided number 8 by 3/4 inch screws. Attach top support rail to intermediate base plate with number 10 by 1 inch screws. To fasten top support blocks, rotate rail assembly out of the way. Pre-drill post sleeves with a 7/64 inch drill bit. Secure support blocks with number 8 by 3 inch screws. Pre-drill 7/64 inch pilot holes through the posts using the holes in the brackets on top support rail. Screw down the top support rail to posts. Pre-drill the top support rail with a 3/16 inch drill bit. Attach the top rail from underneath with number 8 by 2 5/8 inch screws. Finish off the railing system by placing the post caps on the post sleeves. If desired, secure using exterior grade caulk applied to the underside of the cap. Using the marks on the anchor posts, drill a through hole only in the post sleeve with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole into the posts. Install hanger bolts with the hanger bolt installation tool into the pilot holes in the post. Leave approximately 1 inch of machine thread exposed for cable take-up. Next, install the quick connect fittings and quick connect swivel fittings onto the hanger bolts. One side of your railing will be quick connect fittings only, the other side will be quick connect swivel fittings with the lock nut already installed. On one post sleeve, screw on the quick connect fittings snug to the post sleeve. On the other post sleeve, install provided lock nuts onto the hanger bolts. After the lock nuts, screw the quick connect swivel fittings onto the hanger bolts. Be sure not to screw these connectors tight. You will need extra threads to tighten the cable. When all the quick connect fittings are in place, it's time to cut the cable. Insert one end of the cable into the quick connect fitting. Feed the cable through the intermediate baluster. Cut the cable using cable cutters to length using the cut line on the hardware. Insert this end of the cable into the quick connect swivel fittings. Use a set of 3/8 inch open end wrenches to tighten the cable using the quick connect swivel fittings. Hold the cable steady while tightening with the swivel end, ensuring the cable does not twist. Once all your cable is taut, tighten the lock nuts against the quick connect swivel fittings.